morning, everybody, and welcome to Fuck You Friday. It ain't Fuck You Friday, it's Tim's birthday. And once again, I look like an absolute genius as of right now. Futures are up. You've got the S&P futures up 19 points, the NASDAQ futures up 95 points. NASDAQ is pushing on that 15,000 magnet that I've been talking about for a couple days. Here we are pushing not yet to the highs of the week on the SPX, on the ES, but we do have new highs of the week over there on the Russell 2000 and the recovery on the Dow Jones from having retraced its entire 2023 is very much in progress. It's Friday. What happens on Fridays? Well, Friday, first of all, you got news, and this is the last day of the month, last day of the quarter. You got PCE coming out at 8:30, consumer spending, and at 10 o'clock, you get the University of Michigan sentiment final. There is some text that's due to be released by Fed Williams, but none of that matters. All that matters is your charts and your data. Yesterday, nice move, 53 points. Trading range, nice green close, up 25 points. And we went into the gap that was created there on Monday, that 43.37, 43.13 gap. More than enough, more than sufficient for the top of the day. Some people took it a little bit aggressive in the comment that I made over in there in the spreads room, but you get one comment coming out from Chuck Schumer or that fucking prick McCarthy, just like he did back in May, saying the government has a deal. They would have ripped your ass through that 43.17, through 43.37, and up into that 43.50 range, and doing your bearish call spread on the SPX would have bent you over sideways. And that was the reason why I said, if you do it, you're retarded. Would have worked, did work. However, the money was there to be made, and more importantly, the spread for the trade of the week is why I, once again, look like a genius. Elongate was able to get $3.50. A lot of people have messaged me saying they got $3. The plethora of every single person in the audience had more than adequate ability to get $2.50 credit. That's 100% on your money. 100%. That's like waking up on your birthday with morning glory every fucking week. Trade of the week, 100%. We close above 43.10 today, like I've been table pounding for the last 2 days. You're going to make 100% on your money. Now, it's a little bit too late. Trade's already gone. But as I was showing there yesterday in the email, and I'm going to quickly scroll through so that non-members don't get a chance to read what is important. It's right there in your main summary area, your trade of the week. Buy the 43.05 puts, sell the 43.10 puts for today. Greater than $2.50 credit all day yesterday. I watched it with my own two eyes. I still have a little bit of vision in the left eye, being that I have been looking at these screens for the better part of 8 years. So where are we? Well, first of all, QQQ, plus 1% day. And where are we right now? Let's go and see. Oh, look at that. Check mark, box number 1. QQQ's reached up there to 360 already. QQQ, as you know, your heavy weight. 7 stocks, 8 stocks weigh more than half of the QQQ. Same 7, 8 stocks weigh close to 30% of the SPX. QQQ goes, SPX goes. 360, we're already here. Bang, bang, bang. New highs of the week as well. 360.50 was the primary target. We will see what we can get after we get opened up, as we do have a 2.5 point gap up. Same thing I was saying about the SPX getting a 20-point gap up. Closed right there at 42.99. If and so this now 21-point gap on the S&P holds, we are going to be opening up right up here in the middle of this range above yesterday's high, which anybody who has tracked this understands that when you've gapped up above a problem area, which was the highs of the week and the highs over there from Tuesday, which we sold off of, you have momentum. You have momentum to use that as support, which would be right around 43.20, which again, haha, is above 43.10, and we are going to close green on the week above 43.10. Like I said, today is Friday, and on Friday we crushed the VIX, and thus far the VIX has been absolutely smashed, but we haven't broken 1622 yet. You break down below 1622, and the bears can go ahead and start crying over there in the corner and saying, but, 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 but we have a recession. No, you have a fucking hot dog tied to a string that you can't put in your fucking mouth because the dip already finished.
The girl them skill arty. Thunderball. Some give it to, some give it to, some give it to our girls. 5 million and 40 naughty shorty. Baby girl, all my girls, all my girls. Thunderball say, well, on the way the time cold, I wanna be keeping you warm. I got the right temperature for shelter you from the storm. Hold on, girl, I got the right tactics to turn you on. And girl, I wanna be the papa, you can be the
So here we go. We are going in with SPY right here, just underneath 431. Get through 431. Obviously, this is already moving. 428.52 was the close. We're at 430.49, 2-point gap up. We get through 431. We are looking at 431.98. And then you have your highs of the week right over there at 432.64, which again, over on the SPX, to remind you, is 43.38.51, aka right where we closed on Monday. So have a wonderful, fantastic Friday. Enjoy the hell out of your weekend, drinking anything other than Bud Light. And I'm available to send messages to. Tomorrow, I'm not around. Going to the beach, going to go chill out, going to go relax. Have a good day.